I'm Paul from K2. Today we're going to talk about how K2's runtime application self-protection protects our customers against 0 days like the Log4Shell 0 day. So here we have the K2 portal and we're displaying the attacks that are happening in the last 15 minutes. In this shell, I'm going to run a deliberately vulnerable application, and we're going to send a curl command that exploits it. So this is available to you in the demo scripts folder when you install the K2 agent. So just going to run the Log4j exploit CVE2021-44228 exploit against the application. So going to go ahead and load it. It pulls down a Docker image with the application in it from the K2 Docker repository and runs it. So that's going to go ahead and happen. We're going to run the application and then launch the attack, and you'll be able to see the attack happen in real time, and then you'll see the results from K2. So we'll just let the application complete, and it's going to go ahead and start up. So there it is ready for the attack. So there's a curl request with the data value, that's the payload of the attack. It's been submitted, and this is the response from K2. And you can see it sends back a HTML page. So we're just going to copy that. And if I look in the text editor, I've already pasted this, this value and saved it as an HTML file. So that's available to see in a browser, and you'll be able to see just by going file and point to the path where that HTML file is, how K2 responded. And this is exactly what you would see. This is the message that was returned from K2 when it blocked the attack. Now, in the portal, you can see that there was an attack in the last 15 minutes that corresponds to the attack that just came through. So there were no attacks showing, and then suddenly it appeared. This is the attack itself. I'm showing you the blocked attacks, and there's a server-side request forgery attack that shows. So these are the incident details for the attack. You can see those values. This is the identifier, so it shows what container ID, image ID, etc. So these are the identification of what was going on in the incident. This is the attack detail. You can see the URL that was attempted, the payload, and various other data that helps you understand what happened during the attack. As well, there's a complete stack trace of how the adversary's exploit data entered the application, where it propagated to the vulnerable method invocation right there at the bottom or at the top of the stack trace, as well as all the HTTP request information for the attack. So all of this information will be useful for your developers to figure out how to remediate the blocked attacks. So that shows how, right out of the box, the 0 day for Log4Shell was protected by K2.